So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. Are you hearing crackling, popping or distorted audio from your USB audio interface on Windows 11? This can happen when recording music, streaming or even just listening through headphones connected to your interface. The problem usually isn't the interface itself. Most of the time it's caused by buffer size settings, sample rate mismatches or Windows audio settings like exclusive mode. The good news is that you can usually fix these issues in just a few minutes without replacing any hardware. In this video, I'll show you simple fixes that stop audio crackling on Windows 11, including adjusting the buffer size and disabling a Windows setting that often causes the audio glitches. Let's start with the most common cause, which is increasing the audio buffer size. Audio crackling often happens when the buffer size is too low. The buffer is the amount of audio data your computer processes at one time. When the buffer is very small, this system has to process audio extremely quickly. If the CPU can't keep up, you'll hear pops or crackles. Open the control panel or software for your audio interface. Most interfaces from brands like Focusrite, FreeSonus, or Benhire include a control application inside that software. Look for the buffer size setting. If the buffer is set to something very low like 64 128 samples, increase it to 256 or 512 samples. Increasing the buffer gives your computer more time to process audio and usually removes crackling immediately. If you're recording music and need lower latency, you can experiment with lower values later. Another common cause of audio glitches is Windows exclusive mode, so let's disable it and see. Exclusive mode allows apps to take full control of the audio device, but sometimes this causes conflicts between programs. Right-click the speaker icon in the Windows taskbar. Click Sound Settings. Then scroll down and select More Sound Settings. Open the Playback tab. Then find your audio interface in the list and double-click it. Go to the Advanced tab, and here you'll see two options under Exclusive Mode. Uncheck both options that allow applications to take exclusive control of the device. Click Apply, then OK. This prevents apps from fighting over the audio device and can eliminate popping or crackling sounds. Audio problems can also happen when different apps use different sample rates, so let's match the sample rate. In the same Advanced tab of the Sound Settings, look for Default Format. You'll see options like 44,100 Hz or 48,000. Choose the sample rate that matches your audio software or interface settings. For example, if your DAW is using 48 kHz, set Windows to 48 kHz as well. Matching the sample rate prevents audio resampling errors that can cause distortion. If it's still persistent, outdated drivers can also cause audio glitches, so let's update the audio interface driver. Just open the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Open it and expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Find your audio interface in the list. Right-click it and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Now, if the manufacturer provides a newer driver, install it and restart your computer. Manufacturers often release driver updates that improve compatibility with Windows 11. And finally, try a different USB port. USB audio devices can sometimes experience interference or bandwidth issues. Disconnect the audio interface from the computer. Wait a few seconds, then plug it into a different USB port, preferably a direct motherboard port instead of a hub. This ensures the interface has a stable connection and enough bandwidth. After reconnecting the device, test the audio again. And that's how you fix audio interface crackling on Windows 11. In most cases, increasing the buffer size or disabling exclusive mode completely removes the problem. If you're still hearing audio pops, leave a comment with your audio interface model and recording software, and I'll try to help you out. And if you want more Windows audio fixes and recording setup tips, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.